Okay, today I, Muhammad Amirul Hafiz bin Muhammad Usaini and my friend Aziz Sohaimi want to make a challenge about a topic technology, communication and development in civil engineering. Let's go. Now let's go to Haziq to ask her. Haziq.
Yes, Hafiz.
What is a technology and communication development concept in civil engineering?
Oh, technology and communication.
Yes.
This day, information and communication technology (ICT) is responsible for the entire construction process, from information being generated, transmit, and interpret to enabling the project to be built, maintained, reused, and eventually recycled. Information technology (IT) describe technology and equipment that can be used to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data. Information and communication technology is a specialist application of information technology that has some aspect of communication. It includes areas such as software development, mobile device, cloud computing, data centers, cyber security, research network support, and so on.
Okay, thank you, Aziz.
Alright.
Okay, now let's go to the Haziq for the next question. Okay, Haziq, technology communication have a challenge or issues that can be related. Can you explain a little?
Okay, first, effective management of on-site construction. Unnecessary delay in construction project could translate to high additional costs. Late deliveries, equipment malfunction, and human error are some of the factors that can cause delay. Data communication and alignment enabled by Internet of Things (IoT) can help eliminate this factor. Second, construction safety. They are among one of the risk of working environments. IoT device can help manager understand the risk of work. For example, air quality sensor can send safety alerts to workers before they enter a dangerous environment. Okay, Hafiz, what a solution to solve the problem I give before?
I thought of my suggestion to solve the problem. Firstly is using building information modeling, actually is called BIM. With this system, it can make it easier for us to draw house plan quickly. Second is drone construction industry. There are multiple uses, including mapping construction sites for safety hazard and attaching thermal cameras that detect power line hotspots. Okay, next is augmented reality. We call AR. In AR, 3D models are created and combined with all building data. The fourth is construction and the Internet of Things. We call it IoT, means increased safety, greater efficiency, and the ability to use learning to work smarter. And lastly is industrial building system, we call IBS. So IBS, manufacturing of the component for a construction project is done in a controlled environment, so ideally it should be in the factory. It just like manufacturing a car.
Oh, right there, okay. Hey, Hafiz.
Yes.
So, what's your opinion about a characteristic for engineer?
We can analysis that engineer must have a positive characteristic. Firstly is proper speech. When speaking, be clear and concise. Speak on important matters directly and do not allow the listener minds wander. Okay. Second is listening. A key to verb communication for engineers is listening, not just waiting to speak. If you want to really listen to someone. Third is consistent communication. Great leaders practice consistent communication. Each one of us has a different approach to how you portray a vision. Find your own voice. Okay. The lastly is business communication success. Both written and verbal communication skills are of the most important in business, especially in engineering.
For future expectation that we get is artificial intelligence and construction engineering. Artificial intelligence or AI involve machine learning by themselves. From previous experience, some famous examples of AI include chess playing computer and self-driving cars. In the construction industry, AI has the potential to replace many professional tasks normally delegated to younger engineers. How about you, Hafiz?
Okay. For my opinion is prioritizing in digital solution. In the construction industry, we know that the use of digital technology has increased with the use of apps and dashboard to summarize information and provide real-time access to live information. But equally, we know that organizations don't always prioritize efficient digital solution.
Okay, from this topic, can you give the conclusion?
Of course I can. From this topic, we can conclude that the use of ICT is an area worth concentrating upon because it can decrease time for data processing and communicating information. The basics of the knowledge and understanding of the importance and essential value of ICT lies in the understanding of modern day computer and internet technology and the participation of communication, information and its importance in the context of the construction industry. Outline the role information of ICT.